अच्छा, okay. What was the name of father and mother of Swami Vivekananda?
Vishwanath Datta and Bhubaneswari.
What was the profession of Vishwanath Datta? From that side. What is the profession of Vishwanath Datta? He was a lawyer in High Court. Please write your name here. You can write the name of the person. What was the childhood name of Swami Vivekananda?
Narendranath Datta.
No, childhood name. Childhood name. Village, correct. He was named after Vileswar, Lord Vileswar, Kashi. Bhubaneswari Devi got her child after worshipping Vileswar, and he kept the name Vileswar. It was reduced to village. What were the games and sports? This Narendra was interested in his childhood. What were the games and sports? Wrestling? No. Not gymnastics. Swimming. Swimming is one of the exercises. And anything else? Running? Running is not sports. Anything? Swimming and swimming, boxing, horse riding, all these his father was teaching. What was the special subject Narendra had in his colleges? Philosophy. Correct. Philosophy. For the first time, Narendra met Ramakrishna Paramahansa in one of his neighbor's house, and he was called to sing a song. What was the song? What was the song?